We're unboxing a VS5 crank made by Kingwelle of Germany. Just got here. It's 61 millimeters with a 115 millimeter stroke. Just kind of being careful coming through here so I don't cut anything up. Probably our invoice. Right. I picked it up from Nagy. He's one of Kingwelle's main distributors. A little bit of paper in here. Box within a box. That's a little concerning right there. Hopefully the connecting rod didn't pop through. It doesn't feel like it. So this VS5 is going to be, it's going to have a Quatrinni top end on it. So we decided to also use a 61 instead of the 60. And since it's that much stroke, we decided on a long rod, like I said, 115 rod. Here's some seals and maybe some spacers. Let's take a look at that. Oh, it's kind of a little bit crappy packaging there. All right, just stock Vespa looking late model seals. Couple makeup shims, got some Cosmoline on there. Should just wipe off. Yeah, it just wipes off. All right. The moment we've all been waiting for. And me, I've been waiting for a month or so for this crank. All right. Heavy counterweighted, 115 billet rod. Supposed to be silver bearing, needle bearing in the small end. I'm kind of excited, so let's take a look here. All right. I read other reviews or watched other YouTube reviews where they said these cranks weren't machined well and they were kind of pretty, but they were out of round. Just on visual inspection, there's no real way to tell whether they're out of round. The rod's nice. Wow. Yeah, it's nice. So, heavy weight, heavy I don't know if it's Mallory or what they put in the end. Might be tungsten or something. I don't remember how I ordered it. But it does come with different spuds to run late model clutches. So it's pretty cool. Comes with the fixing nuts. I'm going to send this crank up to Hot Rods by Al, or Hot Rod Scooters by Al, up in Fresno. He's not really doing that kind of stuff anymore. This is sort of a favor to me. And a few other guys that he's close with. So I'll let you know. He'll put it in a set of V-blocks. You know, Al used to rebuild and hot rod a lot of cranks. So just do a couple close-ups of it so you can see, you know, the machine work looks beautiful. So, and we'll see. You know, soon we'll be mating it up. The cases are already welded. They're ready to take the Quatrinni. Obviously, it's going to take a spacer with this much stroke added to it. So there'll be a barrel spacer on the bottom. That's it. You know, let me do just a couple real nice close-ups for you. All right, guys. Have a good day.